People say that dinosaurs are extinct, but apparently that is not the case. You see, there are some of us who grew up and learned about nephrology in different times, times with no internet, no smartphone, no social media, a time that we might now refer to as the golden age, while others who are younger and with far better skin will refer to it as the age of dinosaurs. If you're one of these, likely to roar in frustration when opening one social media platform or the other, we have a podcast just for you. Meet Samira Farouk, a trailblazing social media nephrologist, and much more, who will try to teach us dinosaurs how to tackle the jungle of social media. There's stuff out there in the jungle that you might want to know about, so check out the new podcast, Social Media Nephrology, a Crash Course, with Samira Farouk, only on a pinch of salt.